Luxury channel. And today, guys, I'm reporting live from Melbourne. And I want to show you some of the magnificent cars. One thing about Melbourne is if you are in the CBD, you will see some amazing exotic and supercars that are just casually parked in the street. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces. The choice is pretty damn amazing. And for me, a Brisbane boy, I'm pretty turned on by a Cayman S with a manual stick. That's right, that's kind of gets my heart pumping. In Melbourne itself there, you see some amazing exotica. Rolls Royce, how about a fixed head coupe Phantom? I mean, these things here are what dreams are made of. I decided to check out one of the best classic and supercar dealers, Dutton's. Dutton's, a long-established name in classic and super cars. On the way to Dutton's, I saw this beautiful Rolls Royce fixed head coupe. Absolutely stunning. So let's go into Dutton's and have a look. So as soon as you walk into Dutton's, you see the most amazing Porsche collection. If you are into vintage Porsches, how about this? A 1966 911. That's a very early 911. Look at this beautiful red Duco. Look at those exotic chairs there next to it. What a beautiful, beautiful Porsche. And I've got to tell you, I've always got a soft spot for German supercars. If the red's not your color, how about a gunmetal grey? This is a left-hand hook car. What a stunning, cool example. And because it's over 25 years old, you can drive it on the left hand as a left-hand drive. How about burnt orange? Look at this here, this biscuity orange from the early 1970s. Maybe a 356 is more your sportsmobile. Absolutely fantastic. Step into another quadrant and we have the Jaguar. Jaguar section. A beautiful E-type convertible with a beautiful white convertible next to, oh my god, this is just amazing. Series 1 cars, my god. Oh, is that an XJ220 in the corner? My god, that is just super rare. Absolute amazing number of classic to die for cars. How about a Lancia from the 1950s? Absolutely stunning. Steve McQueen, eat your heart out. Yes, indeed, sir. Look at this, an XJ220. These, I've only ever seen these in British magazines. I've never been this close to an XJ220. What an amazing supercar indeed. Absolutely stunning. And it's all on display at Dutton's in Melbourne. I gotta tell you, this is one of the greatest dealers in the world. Who's been here? Doug DeMiro! That's right, Doug DeMiro has come to Dutton's and reviewed cars for his channel. There you go, guys. Look at that blue E-Type. I love it. What is it? Is it a 3.8 or I think it's a 4.2? I think it's a 4.2. Look at that. Just beautifully done. I love that blue. That blue Duco is amazing. Look at this here. A little Aston Martin for the kids. It's very handy having moolah, having the cash. Ooh, look at that. A BMW Batmobile. Oh, the convertible Mercedes-Benz 280 SE Cabriolet. Oh my god, these were big money Benzes. Oh, we got a nice 190 SL in front. Oh, and a Ford GT40. My god, the cars at Dutton's never cease to amaze. So much exotica. Look at this hot rod. We go to Porsches from the 80s. We've got modern Lamborghinis. This is just to die for. Duttons. If you win the lotto, every car nut needs to go to Duttons. Ferrari, vintage Porsche. Take a look at this here. I love the 356. Look at this 356C coupe. What a beautiful. Oh my God! Barnyard find. Barnyard find. Look at this barnyard find. 356. I think it's a speedster. Speedster. Look at this. My God! Look at the patina. Patina. Absolutely. Just. This place is just so cool. 1600 Super. That's got the bigger motor in it there. Wowzers. This is a amazing show of cars. Oh, look at that 356. What a beautiful car. Then we've got Ferrari. Oh my God, a 300 SL Mercedes. Look, it's not the Gullwing. This is the Roadster. I've got a Daytona, a Ferrari Daytona. My God, a Ferrari Daytona. What? Oh my God, what a cool car. My God, I'm just speechless. Look at this, a Ferrari Daytona, early 70s. Oh, and next to a 300 SL. I think I'd if I had a choice, I think I'd take the 300 SL Roadster. Yeah, I think I'll take the 300 SL. My God, what would you pick? Absolutely stunning cars. Look at this. Oh, look at that red interior. Absolutely amazing selection of exotica. Look at this. This is an Enzo, my God, and we've got a 512 Berlinetta next to that, I believe. Oh, look at that blue. What a... Do you know how hard it is to see? Oh, look at this. A Benz, a vintage Cabriolet Benz, and we've got just so many interesting displays here. And oh, there's a Lamborghini Diablo. Wowzers, love that. Ferrari 356. It's a Special, I think. What beautiful cars. Astons, my God. Then we've just got such a huge range. And I got to tell you, if you won the lotto, this is where I'd go. I'd get a few motors. You'd just go crazy here. This is just such. They're all beautiful. I love the way they're displayed. I love the oak white timber flooring. Oh, look at this Bentley Bruiser. A Bentley Bruiser. Take a look at this. Wow, Bentley really does interiors. Take a look at that. That is just absolutely incredible. Look at that. My God, the Bentley. What a gorgeous. Just love that. It's actually dark blue. Yes, take a Patek and Bentley emblem shot. I think just beautifully presented. Absolutely stunning. The cars at Dutton's is just amazing. And oh, I love this Aston. Aston, look at that Aston. Jesus, that is one sexy motor car. Oh my God, look at this. Just DBS, Aston DBS. Love it to death. Absolutely. We've got a Bulette Mustang right next to us there, wedged in there. Look at that. That's just mean. It's just mean and nasty. Ooh, we've got another Mustang. I love a bit of American muscle. I love my German. I love my Italian. Ooh, look at this Porsche 911 Carrera. Wowzers. Love it. Yes, please. Just amazing exotica. And it's all all for sale. All for sale at Dutton's. And I gotta tell you, if you won the lotto, you gotta get your ass over here. Maserati, yes please, and not a crappy Ghibli. We're talking top of the line Maserati. Thank you, top of the line. I love a bit of Italian metal. Ferrari, Maserati, Porsche. It's all catered for at Dutton's, and I was given exclusive access to film in here. They very kindly allowed me in. I said to them I'd give them a bit of a plug. I'm not as big as Doug DeMiro. Well, not yet. Look at these Mercedes Benzes. There's a Ferrari. I don't know if I like the wrap. I love the Duco. I love a shiny Duco. Call me old-fashioned. Call me what you want. Ooh, Testarossa! Look at that Testarossa. My God, this is automotive heaven. They got look at that. An LFA Lexus. Just absolute super cars. And I gotta tell you, if you won the lotto, I'd be here at Dutton's. I'd get my ass down here. There's so many beautiful. I love this 300S. I love the colors. This grey metallic with the red interior. It's just classic Mercedes-Benz. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm a sucker for Benzes. I love vintage Benzes, and the 356 is nice as well. But I gotta tell you, really, if you had the money, you'd come down here, wouldn't you? If you won $100 million, you'd come down here and spend. You'd spend 5%, wouldn't you? 5 million. You'd buy a few. Look at this. This was the first ever supercar, really, the Mercedes 300 SL. I know it's not the Gullwing, but I think the Roadster is so much more usable, and I like the lines better. I think the way they've done the doors is very, very cool indeed. What a stunning car to see. I mean, you just don't see these sort of things every day. Absolutely, just look at the timeless lines of it. Just amazing, just beautiful. The condition these are presented in, absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And that Daytona next to it is hot. And they've got some moderns. Look at this Maserati. I love that biscuit interior, tobacco biscuit interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes, this is a proper Maserati, not a Ghibli with Dodge switchgear. This is a Maserati, and it's that song. My Maserati does 185. That's miles per hour. Look at this. That's a proper Maserati. Just everything here is amazing. So, guys, if you get a chance, Dutton's in Melbourne, absolute amazing pieces. This is one of our Australian Monaros. You don't see them like that's a petrol race car, I think. Look at the Jaguar, a modern Jaguar. I put that in for M3AU. Hello, Mike. Look, just amazing. If you are a car nut, I urge you to go and take a look at Dutton's. Just kind of go in there and have a look. This is amazing super cars. Oh, look at this. I love the stitched interior in this. This is an SLS. What a Benz. Just a SLS AMG. Just beefy. Yes, sir. What a magic car. Absolutely magic. I'm ArchieLuxury, reporting to you live from Dutton's in Melbourne. Guys, put a few comments down below. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and obviously put a few really nasty, inappropriate comments for cars that you cannot afford. ArchieLuxury signing out. Thank you, guys.
See if I can get some famous people. Hey, how are you? Famous?
I'm not famous, no.
It's okay. I don't even know who these people are.
How are you?
Hey, not too bad. Got my YouTube channel. I do YouTube.
Do you?
Yeah. 50,000 subscribers.
That's crazy.
Thank you.